21-year-old Heath Cordis, ladies and gentlemen.
I just got off tour this weekend with Tony. Yeah, it was fun. Could have been better. Told me we were going to Disney World, but it's fine. Took me on a private plane, too, and I think I prefer Delta. The jet was nice, but I would have liked Coach more than flying in Tony's carry-on. When we got to our hotel, it didn't take more than 30 minutes until some creep was hitting on me with a belt while he squeezed my nutsack until I said uncle. It was my idea, actually. Thank you, guys.